You won't believe it. We just finished recording this whole series on the art of speech writing. During this recording, I actually shared a technique that I've never shared with people before on how to open and close a speech. And I was so excited about it that I thought I just can't wait to share this with you. So this technique is called the halfway method. If you ever want to write a really good speech or speak at a conference or an event and you want to make a good impact, or maybe just as a speech in front of your staff, do this technique. Take a story and cut it in half, but you have to cut it right there where there's a problem or when there's tension or something changed. And what you do is tell the story up to that point. It could take you 45 seconds or a minute and a half. Don't overinvest into the story, and then stop and then share your body, the main points that you want to get across to your team or at the conference, maybe the key points you want to talk about how to live a healthier life. And right at the end of the closing, take that same story you started off with and tell the outcome, the result, when you did include or put this tips and techniques into practice, how the result turned out to be fantastic and there was this change and the benefits that you've seen flowing from that. If I would talk about how to live a healthy lifestyle and I tell a story, it could be my own or it could be a case study that it's in a medical journal, but I tell a story how this person was struggling with health issues and always feeling sick and congested, couldn't sleep properly, picked up weight, was lethargy, couldn't perform well until something changed. And this revolutionized their life. Stop there, right there with that story. Share with people how to change their life and how to become healthier and better and perform at a higher level. And then say, so in conclusion, after I remember that story I told you in the beginning? Now, when I implemented all these techniques and tips, now I've lost over 20 kilograms. I feel fantastic. My confidence is back. Everything has changed. I'm off my medication. Things is phenomenal for me in my business. I'm producing results far and beyond that I've ever would imagined. All because I implemented these three main principles. Can you see how you can use that technique? So think about the story. It could be anything from a real life story. It could be a case study from somebody else. It could be something that you read in a book, and cut that story right there where there's tension. Tell your whole body and then finish off with the other half of the story. So my name is Trevor Ambrose and I hope you found this technique helpful. Use it because it makes you look instantly like a seasoned professional. Remember, in the next few weeks, we're bringing out our brand new course on the art of speech writing online, where you can do it at your own pace and own leisure. So stay tuned to wherever you see this video and have a look when the course comes out, because I think you're going to find it extremely helpful.